Today I'm replacing this video doorbell with a genuine wired ring unit because the old one keeps disconnecting and refuses to come back to life. The wired ring unit needs a transformer to drop the mains voltage, so I'm taking the live feed from the lighting circuit to power it. From there I'll run a flex out the bottom of the transformer up and around the porch and back down to the doorbell's position, all while being blessed with spiders and a few spectators watching from in the corners. Inside I had to drop the light switch and pull down the ceiling rose, which was held in with screws older than I am, bent, rusty flatheads, straight in the bin. Once that was sorted, I marked up for the transformer, drilled the holes, mounted it and reattached the ceiling rose. Then it was on to making off the twin and earth, reconnecting the switch and wiring everything into the transformer. A quick voltage test to make sure everything was behaving, faceplate back on, and that's the install wrapped up. Now we're just waiting on the ring doorbell to arrive to fully finish off the job.